What's up, guys? This is Chuck back with Chuck's Hobby Spot. Back with the update, like I said I'd do, on the 51 Henry J. Actually, it's one of the 51 Henry J's. The other one, I'm still... it's going to be built, but it's going to be after this one. I decided to finish this one and start the next one. I've already started it, guys, so... But continue on to the next one. How's that? But before we get started with the update on this, let's put this crap aside. I wanted to do a quick shout out to Munchkin Model and Man 72. It's a pretty cool shop card. Looks like he's got figurines and stuff, and he does everything: planes, cars. Looks almost like Gundam. Pretty cool stuff. Pretty different, out of the box kind of stuff. So he did write us a note on the back. Says, really enjoying watching your crap. Top notch, sir. So yeah, everybody, man, keep watching my crap. 72. I'm wondering if that is the year you were born, because if that is, I was born in 1972 also, so that makes me 50. But thank you. I watch your channel too, buddy. So this will go inside the glass, and I'm trying to keep it like a white spot here so I can do a video, but there's cards all the way around. So also, I wanted to give a shout out to a friend of mine. He's actually in my model club. Louis Meyer, the Autistic Modeler. Some of you guys have probably seen his channel, and if you haven't, go check him out. This is his new calendar, and we can take a quick look at this before we do the update on the Henry J. I'm gonna end up slicing his nice calendar. There we go. I have not even opened it because I wanted to open this on my channel, so I wanted it to be a surprise to me as well as to you. I want to get this thing hung up, so. Louis, I appreciate the fact that you thought of me when you made one of these calendars, buddy. So these, I think this is all of his builds that he did for the year of 2022, I think. So that's a nice build for the cover. Pretty cool. And Louis builds kind of off-the-wall stuff, kind of, so... And I think this is one of the kits that I gave him. We did a trade. So let me see if I can... There we go. And he did a cool job just beating it up, huh? I think he did. So let's see. Not for sale. I plan on restoring it one day. That's what we all say. I've got a couple of them too. Here's a 73 van. Pretty cool. Let me see here. Oh yeah, I have one of these I want to build too. Yeah, this is cool. The Consolidated Freightways truck. Yep, I have this. I have the original one too, so. Pretty cool, Louis. So far I'm impressed. This is a cool one. This was his Christmas build. This is probably one of my favorite builds he did. And guess what? I think I'm the one to put that one in the Secret Santa, so I know I am. So he did an awesome job on that, guys. Sweet. What else do we got here? Richard Petty car. I've seen this in person too. This is a pretty nice car. Louis the NASCAR kind of builder here. All right. It's like we got a Nova. Cool. Let's see what else we got here. This is what was on the cover here, the dump truck. And here we go, we got another one. Looks like a Nova. I have this kit too, I'm gonna build that someday. All right, another NASCAR. Looks like Chase Elliott. We have Chevy 2. I think he right when these came out from Mobius, I think he built them back to back, if I recall. Which this is a really nice looking original build. Pretty cool. And he did a cop car, an old school one. Pretty cool. As you can tell, he does a lot of different stuff than I would actually build. But it really grabs your attention. Look at that. That thing is awesome. Might give BG's Technis cab a run for his money there. And his is nice too. And that's it, guys. So again, thanks a lot, Louie. I really appreciate it, and I'll be talking to you soon anyway. So let's get on to the 51 Henry J, guys. Now this is my crap, okay? So I still have a lot of work to do on it. I'll just bring it up to you. I did put an aftermarket brake reservoir and master cylinder, and I plumbed it and everything. I haven't ran fuel lines yet. I got to put a fuel block in, a fuel pump, and the fuel line still. I scratch built my dipstick, which I always do, and the trans stick that you can't really see back there. I stripped everything. I alcladded everything. Well, I didn't strip anything on this. This was the resin kit, so I alcladded everything. I stripped all the chrome on the kit though, and alcladded it. I still got to run wires on my MSD box and the wire to the coil back there. I've got some touch-up stuff. I made my own glass, the blue tint on there. The interior is pretty detailed, and it's hard to see the interior. I like that shifter, guys. That's awesome. I scratch built my own roll bar, my own roll cage in there. On the bottom, it's not done. I still got to weather it. I made my own drive shaft, and I gotta touch some stuff up down here. So these wheels did not come with it. I'm sure you guys are getting sick because of the way I'm moving this model around, but you know what? Duh. So the wheels are from a parts pack, and the tires I got from John Teresi, a good friend of mine, gave those to me. Really appreciate it. Let me see. The front end I still got to work on. As you can see, I made a tab on here, and I drilled a hole in here. I'm going to put hood pins and everything in here, and it's going to latch. It's going to have a latch on it, so it'll stay down, and it'll stay up and down. So I've got that all worked out. I didn't use the fan off the old kit. I put a electric fan where it blows the air in. So I've got quite a bit of ways to go on here. I think it's coming out pretty clean. It looks a little rough right now just because everything's not done to it yet. And it usually comes together when everything's together. So, but that's pretty much it in a nutshell. We're moving right along here. I've been busy with the grandkids, so I haven't really been nailing it, like I normally do. But this, I'd get 4 days off of work, and I plan on building for a while, so I want to get at least one wrapped up and the other one started by the end of the weekend. So Christmas build is done. This is done. I think I'm going to start on the other Henry J, get that finished up, and then I'm going to do my group build and get that going. I've got plans for that, parts ordered. Stuff starting to click in my head, like I want to get built. So, but this video is rolling on 10 minutes, like I had to tell you, huh? I appreciate you guys watching. I don't know why you guys watch this crap, but you do, and I thank you. So with that being said, don't forget to comment, like, hit that bell, subscribe, do all that good stuff. Tell me how good or crappy my video is. But let me know what you guys think of the Henry J. And happy holidays, guys. You guys all take care. Bye.